Cloud bills getting too expensive? Dokploy might be your answer. It's a free open source platform that lets you deploy apps on your own server. Think Heroku or Versal, but you own everything and pay nothing. Let's see if it's actually worth the setup. Dokploy is a self-hosted platform as a service. You install it on your own server from providers like Hertzner or DigitalOcean. Then you can deploy any app through a clean dashboard. It supports Node, Python, Go, Ruby, and basically anything that runs in Docker. You also get a database management for PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, and Redis. First, it's completely free, no monthly fees, no usage limits, no surprise bills. You just pay your server costs, which can be as low as $5 per month. The interface is clean and easy to use. You connect your GitHub repo, hit deploy, and Dokploy handles everything. It includes automatic SSL certificates, real-time monitoring, and one-click templates for popular tools like Supabase and cal.com. Multiple server deployments work great too. You can scale to multiple servers using Docker Swarm without complex configuration. Docker Compose support means you can bring existing setups with no zero changes. Database backups happen automatically to external storage. The monitoring dashboard shows CPU memory and network usage is in real time. There's also an API and command line tool for automation. Unlike cloud platforms, you have full control. No vendor lock-in, you can customize anything because the code is open source. You need basic Linux and Docker knowledge to get started. Setup takes more time than clicking a button on Versal. The free plan has community support only, though many users say it's excellent. It sometimes breaks, but you're responsible for fixing it. Dokploy is absolutely worth it if you want to control and lower costs. For personal projects, startups, or anyone tired of cloud bills, it's a game changer. The savings add up fast. Just be ready to spend an hour on setup. If you're comfortable with servers, Dokploy delivers serious value.